Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix your microphone not working on Metal TV. It's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you actually want to click on the application setting, which is going to be this one. And simply from here, you want to navigate through the clipping. And basically to make sure that your audio and your microphone is being captured, head over to audio right here. And we have the recording mode to all PC. So just make sure that this is selected. Same thing with the microphone. And for the microphone, you want to make sure to select the actual microphone that you are using. So in my case, it's going to be the Razer Kraken condenser microphone. We could also click on the checked button right here just to check whether our microphone is working. And in here, you want to make sure that your microphone is turned up. So in that way, it will simply go ahead and capture it seamlessly. Now, as of the moment, I cannot go ahead and use or test my microphone because I'm actually recording my game right here. So let's go ahead and disable this first. And let's click on start test. And in here, as you can see, it captures my voice as I go ahead and speak. Hello, hello, hello. So from there, you should be good to go. As you can see, I'm able to hear myself. So just record your game normally and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.